Step-by-step guide to transfer USDT from SafePal to Binance. Open your SafePal wallet. Launch the SafePal app on your mobile device and log in using your seed phrase. Locate USDT. Navigate to the Assets section and find your USDT balance. Get your Binance USDT deposit address. Open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Go to the Wallet section and select a deposit. Find the USDT ERC20 deposit address and copy it. Initiate the transfer. In the SafePal app, select the option to send USDT. Paste the copied Binance USDT deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check the recipient address to ensure it's correct. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. You may need to enter a security code or password to authorize the transaction. Monitor the transfer. Keep an eye on the transaction status within both SafePal and Binance. It may take a few minutes to several hours for the transfer to complete, depending on network congestion. Verify the receipt. Once the transfer is complete, check your Binance wallet to ensure the USDT has been credited to your account. Additional tips. Security: always double-check the recipient address to avoid sending funds to the wrong address. Transaction fees: be aware of any transaction fees that may apply during the transfer. Network: ensure you are using the correct network, e.g., Binance Smart Chain for BEP20 tokens, if applicable.